In this 62nd shloka, Shankaracharya points out that the Atma Chaitanyam or Brahma Chaitanyam pervades both within and without. Swayam antaha bahishcha vyapnoti. Antaha refers to the mind and the vrittis of the mind. And the Chaitanyam illumines the mind and the vrittis directly, and this Chaitanyam is called Sakshi Chaitanyam, which illumines the mind, which illumines the vrittis of the mind, which illumines even the resolution of the mind during Sushupti Avastha. So, Sakshi Chaitanya Rupena Brahmatma Antahkaranam Vyapnoti. And once the Antahkaranam gets the Chaitanyam, this particular Chaitanyam is capable of going out through the sense organs and capable of illumining the external world. And when the Chaitanyam in the Antahkaranam goes out through the pramanams and illumines the external world, the very same Chaitanyam gets the name Pramatri Chaitanyam. So, Sakshi Chaitanyam directly illumines the Antahkaranam. That's why it is ever illumined, all the three avasthas. But Sakshi Chaitanyam does not directly illumine the world, but Sakshi Chaitanyam, when it pervades the Antahkaranam, it gets the new name. What is that? Pramatri Chaitanyam. And this Pramatri Chaitanyam goes out through the pramanams and illumines the external world. So therefore, Sakshi Chaitanyam pervades the inner mind directly, pervades the external world indirectly through the mind. Sakshi Chaitanyam illumines the mind directly, but it illumines the external world indirectly. Indirectly, na through what? Through the mind. And therefore he says, Antar Bahir Vyapya, pervading both within and without. Akhilam Jagat Bhasayan, it illumines the whole universe, the internal subjective universe as well as external objective universe. Brahma Prakashate, thus Brahman shines both within and without. And how do you know Brahman shines? The very fact the mind is known indicates pervasion of Chaitanyam. Remember the example, whenever I say the world is seen, it indicates pervasion of light Similarly, when you say mind is known, it indicates pervasion of Chaitanya. And therefore, Brahma prakashate antaha bahishcha. And what is the example? He gives an example, pratapta ayasa pindavat, like the red hot iron ball. So, in a dark room, the iron ball cannot shine at all. And if in a dark room you are able to see the iron ball, it is because of what? Pervasion of the fire principle. When Agni pervades the iron principle, or the fire principle pervades the iron, the invisible iron becomes the visible iron because of what? Pervasion of Agni Tattvam. Not only visibility is because of Agni Vyapti, and if you touch the iron ball, what happens? The iron burns. The Dahaka Shakti also is because of the pervasion of the Agni. And do you see the Agni separately? No. Agni seems to be an intrinsic nature of the the iron ball. But even though it appears to be the intrinsic nature, what the light and the heat seems to belong to the iron ball, but it is only because of the Agni Tattvam. Similarly, the mind is known because of the pervasion of Chaitanyam. The world is also known because of the Chaitanyam alone. Asti bhati priyam rupam nama chetyamsha panchakam. Everywhere Brahman is there. Continuing. Jagadvilakshanam Brahma Brahmanonyanna kinchana Brahmanyadbhati ten mithya Yatha marumarichika. So here Shankaracharya points out the peculiar relationship between Satyam and Mithya. The peculiar relationship between Satyam and Mithya. For example, between rope and snake. And what is the peculiar relationship? When I want to reveal the rope, I say a rope is different from the snake. When I want to reveal the rope, I say a rope is different from the snake. That is, snake is temporary, rope is permanent, snake is karyam, rope is karanam. So thus rope, the Satyam, is different from snake, the Mithya. But once rope has been revealed, I say rope is different from snake, all right, whereas snake is not different from rope. Whereas snake is, the Mithya Vastu is not different from Satyam, Why do we say so? Snake is not different from rope because snake does not have an existence separate from rope. Bhinna satta abhava. Whereas a rope is different from snake. Why? Because rope has got a separate existence. That means even without snake, a rope will exist. And therefore I say a rope is different from snake, whereas snake is not different from rope. This is a peculiar relationship possible between rope and snake only, satyam and mithya only. Between two satya vastus you cannot say. Book is different from the tape recorder. Tape recorder is different from book or not? Rendum different. Therefore, book is different from recorder. A recorder is different from book. Why? Because both have same degree of reality. Samana sattakayoho madhye. Whereas when one is satyam and the other is mithya, what should we say? Satyam is different from mithya, whereas mithya is not different from satyam because mithya doesn't have a separate existence. The same is true between Karanam and Karyam. Because Karanam is Satyam, Karyam is Mithya. Therefore we say Karanam is different from Karyam, whereas Karyam is not different from Karanam. That means what? Clay is different from pot. Because even after the destruction of pot, clay continues. Therefore, clay is different from pot, whereas pot is not different from clay. Another English சொல்றார், Jagad Vilakshanam Brahma. Brahman is different from the world. Whereas Brahmanaha anyat na kinchana. Whereas there is no world existing different from Brahman. Brahmanaha anyat kinchana na asti. So Brahman is different from world. Why? Even in the resolution of world, Brahman continues. But there is no world existing different from Brahma. Okay. How do you say so? I am seeing the world which is different from Brahman. He says, Brahma anyat bhati che. If you experience something different from Brahman, so there is nothing different from Brahman. But if you see something different from Brahman, what is it? Mithya. So the idea is what? Other than rope, there is no snake at all. But if you experience a snake, what type of snake it is? Mithya snake. Therefore, Brahma anyat bhati chet illai. Paathai sonna poi. Illave illai. Paathen sonna kannuku tagararu. Go to an eye doctor. Ajnana timirandasya jnananjana shalakaya. Get a cataract operation. Like what? Yatha maru maritika. In the place of mirage water, what is there? Only maru is there. Maru means what? Dry land, dry sand. So, in that dry land, there is not even a drop of water. Why? That's why it is dry land. In a wet land, so therefore, in dry land, there is not even a drop of water. And if you see some water, what is it? Duryodhanan business. So, if you see what is not there, it is Indrajalam, it is Maya Jalam. Maru Marichika Mithya. Okay, continuing. Drishyate shruyate yadyate Brahmanonyanna tadbhavet Tattvajnanacha tad Brahma Satchidanandamadvayam. So in the previous shloka, he said, anything experienced different from Brahma is mithya. That mithyatvam he is clarifying here. Yad drishyate. Whatever is seen by you, yad shruyate. Whatever is heard by you. You have to supply whatever is smelt by you, whatever is tasted by you, whatever is touched by you. In short, whatever is experienced by you, all of them, tat brahmanaha anyat na bhavet. It does not exist separate from Brahman. It does not exist separate from Brahman. Why? Because the existence in every one of them belongs to Brahman. So, Brahma sattaya te sattavantaha. Natu swasattaya sattavantaha. Tannudaya sattayinal adukku sattai illai. Brahmanudaya sattayinal tan. Like what? Yatha mrud sattaya ghataha sattavantaha sattavan. So the ghadasya satta, the existence of the pot is borrowed from the existence of the clay. Similarly, whatever you see doesn't have an existence of its own. Okay, how do you say that? Why can't we say they have the existence of their own? Why can't you say pot has got existence of its own? Solli vekkarome. If pot has an existence of its own, if it has got swatas satta, nasato vidyate bhavaha, na abhavo vidyate sataha. If the pot had its own existence, pot will never lose existence. Pot will be eternally existent. The very fact that pot appears and disappears shows that it doesn't have existence of its own. And therefore, Brahmanaha anyat na bhave. Okay. But I see them as though different from Brahma. You say it is not different from Brahman, but I see as though different from Brahman. He says, if you see, it is your ajnanam. So, yatra ajnanam tatra ghata drishtihi, yatra jnanam tatra mrid drishtihi. So, yatra hi dvaitamiva bhavati, tatra itara itaram pashyati, itara itara chrunoti. Similarly, yatra yatra ajnanam tatra tatra ghata drishtihi, yatra yatra jnanam tatra mrid drishtihi. Similarly, yatra ajnanam tatra jagad drishtihi, yatra jnanam tatra brahma drishtihi. Arthan sollar, tattva jnana. So once the tattva jnanam comes, yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva abhut vijanataha. Brahmai vedam vishwamidam varishtam purusha eva idagam sarvam brahmarpanam brahmahavihi. All of them. Aitadatmyam idam sarvam. All indicate that for a jnani, atma eva asti. So, tattva jnanati tatu brahma. And the tatu is the emphasis. Tatu na anartham yatu purvam jagat asit. Yadu minnala jagat rupama irundudo ade jagat ipa enna eduthu na brahmana eduthu. So, yatu purvam sarpaha asit tadeva vastu idanim rajjuhu. So, yatu purvam drishtim jnanamayim kritva pashyed brahmamayam jagat. Then you should not ask, did the world change into Brahman? Did the snake change into rope? The change was not outside. Sarpa buddhi, Brahma buddhi was replaced by Prama buddhi. Similarly, Jagat buddhi has been replaced by Brahma buddhi. The effect of brandy effect is gone. What is brandy? Pitva mohamayim pramadamadiram unmatta bhutam jagat. We all have got brandy. What brandy? Mohamayim pramadamadiram. Pramadam na error. So we have all drunk the moha brandy. And once that is gone, thereafterwards, Brahma. What type of Brahman? Satchid Anandam Advayam, which is Satchidananda Advaya Swarupam. Continuing. Sarvagam Satchidatmanam Jnana Chakshurnirikshate Ajnana Chakshurneksheta Bhasvantam Bhanumandhavat. So here Shankaracharya clarifies the idea. The difference is not in the external world. The difference is only in the outlook. There is a correction in the antahkaranam. exactly as in any error. From sarpam to rajjuhu, the change is not external, but the change is internal. And what type of change? From wrong vision to right vision. Because adilem palavidam irukku. Previously he saw sarpa. And then he said, no, it is not sarpa, it is a mala. So here change has come from what to what? So from one error to another error. So previously you say world, now you say panchabhutam. What is that? Another error. Then you say world is atoms. That is what? Another error. Then you say world is energy. Another error. Thus you may shift from one error to another, but here the shift is from error to knowledge. And therefore Shankaracharya says, world remaining the same, two people have two different vision. That is why adrishyena atmiye anirukte nilayane abhayam pratishtham vindate ataso bhayangato bhavati ange atat tatveva bhayam vidusho manvanasya. So world is sukham for jnani, world is dukkham for ajnani. World is sukham for jnani na brahma rupena, world is ananda swarupaha. World rupena, world is dukkha swarupaha. Jagad rupena dukkham, brahma rupena anandaha. Sarpa rupena dukkham, rajju rupena anandaha. Enna anandam kakadhengo use pannalam edukavadhu. So therefore he says, there are two varieties of people, ajnana chakshuhu, jnana chakshuhu. Bahuvrihi. Ajnana mayam chakshuhu yasya. Or ajnana yuktam nu sollaram. Jnana chakshuhu means jnana mayam chakshuhu yasya. Ajnana mayam chulutuna anartham, an eye which is backed by ajnani mind. Kannila yad ajnanam, kannukalla ajnanam kadayadu. Ajnana chakshuhu means the eye which is backed by ignorant mind. Jnana chakshuhu means an eye which is backed by wise mind. So, jnana chakshuhu sarvagam satchidatmanam ikshate. So, the wise person sees the all-pervading Satchidatma. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmarpanam, all verses you should remember. So, Jnana Chakshuhu is the name of Jnani, not Kannukku perilla idu. Jnana Chakshu Udaya Jnani Nartham. So, Jnana Chakshuhu Jnani Satchidatmanam Sarvagam Nanartham, all pervading. Ikshate, Nirikshate, Nischayena, Samshaya Viparyaya Rahitam, Ikshate, Samyak. Whereas Ajnana Chakshuhu, whereas the ignorant person keeps the eyes open very much. Pashyannapi na pashyati. Nanna tanadachanirukana. So even though his eyes are open, na iksheta, he will not see. He only says pot dana irukku. There is pot only. And I am handling all the time what? Pot. And what is fetching water? Pot. So solidly pot is available. How dare you say there is no pot at all? I am handling it now. That is called Ajnana Chakshuhu. He doesn't understand what we are trying to say. Na iksheta. Adukku oru example. What is that? Bhaswantam bhanum andhavat. Just as a blind man never sees the sun. When? Not during night. Adile ellaru ore kakshi dhaan. During daytime. Patta pagale solradalaya. So during daytime, andhaha, or you can take another meaning. Andhaha means what? The other one, owl. So nishacharaha, owl. Owl ku enna solluvar? Andhai. Adu andhaha, andhai. Not very far off. Therefore, the andhai, during the daytime, it is yanisha sarva bhutanam. Similarly, for this person also, Atma is always nisha iva only. It is not known to him. Therefore, andhavat, you have to complete the sentence, na iksheta. Continuing. Shravanadibhiru